Greetings, fellow enthusiasts. Join me today as we delve into the world of cannabis-infused delicacies, starting with a spotlight on a beloved ingredient, canna-butter. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content like this. Cannabis butter, often referred to as canna-butter, combines cannabis with butter for a smoke-free consumption experience. Its popularity stems from its versatility and culinary applications. Now, one cannot discuss canna-butter without first going into the process of decarboxylation. This pivotal step is essential to grasp, as it serves as the foundation of cannabis infusion, unleashing the complete potency of cannabinoids. Decarboxylation, in essence, is the process of heating cannabis to activate its chemical properties. Initially, cannabis harbors tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THCA, and cannabidiolic acid, CBDA, which are the inactive precursors to THC and CBD. Through decarboxylation or decarbing, these compounds are activated, transforming into active THC and CBD. To start the decarboxylation process, preheat the oven to 240 Fahrenheit and spread 14 grams of cannabis on a baking sheet. Bake for 30-40 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes until the color changes from bright green to brown. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter, the cooking process. When it comes to making canna-butter, there are various methods to choose from. Today, we'll focus on two of the most popular approaches, stovetop and crock-pot infusion. To cook via stovetop, you'll need the following items: 14 grams of decarboxylated cannabis, 2 cups of water, 2 sticks of butter, a medium-sized saucepan, a wooden spoon, 2 pieces of cheesecloth, and a medium-sized glass bowl or container. To begin, in a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of water and 2 sticks of butter. Once melted, add the decarboxylated cannabis and cover. Simmer the mixture for 3-4 hours, stirring every 20-30 minutes to prevent burning. After simmering, strain the mixture through cheesecloth into a glass bowl or container. Allow the mixture to cool at room temperature for 30-60 minutes, then refrigerate until the butter has solidified. Once complete, it's time to enjoy. Now, let's explore another method, the crock-pot. For the crock-pot method, you'll need a small crock-pot, cheesecloth, strainer, and 1.5 sticks of butter. To begin, melt 1.5 sticks of butter in a small crock-pot, then add your decarboxylated cannabis. Let it steep on the lowest heat setting for 3 hours, stirring occasionally. Once steeped, strain the mixture through cheesecloth into another container, removing any leftover bits. If there is additional residue left, repeat the process with a new cheesecloth. Refrigerate the container for about 8 hours until the butter solidifies, then it's ready to use. And there you have it, folks. 2 simple methods for making canna-butter. Whether you're baking brownies or cooking up some savory dishes, canna-butter adds a delicious twist to any recipe. Thank you for joining us on this adventure into the world of canna-butter. We hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. Stay tuned for future videos. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay curious.